Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing these items from Born Pretty. Thank you so much to them for sending this to me. As you can see here, if you purchase items from them, they will be received with no leaking or anything like that because they have a box, and in top of the box there is a plastic wrap as well, so the packaging is very secure. The first item I have here is one of their top coats, and they call it Super Top Coat. And I like everything that says super because I love superheroes, so that sounds good to me. And it's actually not too thick, and it has a good consistency. I like it. And I'm gonna be trying it today in today's video so you can see how glossy it is. And let's go into the next item. This is a gel polish, and it's actually so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. And I'm gonna use it today as well so you guys can see how beautiful it's gonna look. This gel is more on the thicker side, so it's better to work in thinner layers when you're applying your nail polish. But as you can see here, it's not moving from the brush, it's not runny, so you have plenty of time to work. And it's absolutely beautiful, and it's matching my glove. Next I have a rubber-based gel. A rubber-based gel is more flexible than regular base gels, and you can use it for brittle nails, to fill uneven nails, or to protect your nail where they are growing if they are extremely thin, because it will bend with your natural nail. And you can use it as a base coat for any product, including gel polish. It just has like a thicker viscosity, and as you can see, this one has a very pretty color. Next I have one of the jelly colors, and these ones are semi-transparent, and the consistency is not too thick or not too thin. As you can see, the gel is staying in the brush, so will give you plenty of time to do like the full hand without the gel running all over the cuticles. And then you can cure it and move on to the next coat. I really like this color, it's so cute, I can't wait to use it. Next I have the Sea Blue Cat Eye Magnetic Gel, and this one is a 7 ml bottle, and it's so beautiful. I just love it so much. For this type of gels, you will need to purchase a separate item, a magnet, to be able to move around the magnets inside the gel to create different designs. And these are all the items for today, guys, so let's move on and make some nails. I purchased these tips on Temu, and they come pre-colored, so the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the shine from the plastic. In that way the gel attaches better to avoid any chipping or peeling. I'm done with the base gel, and the nails are ready for gel polish, and I'm gonna continue with the Sea Blue Cat Eye gel polish, and you guys are gonna see how pretty this is gonna look. And now I'm gonna be using the magnet tool, and depending on the position that I turn this magnet, the magnets from the gel polish are gonna move with it. I'm not very good at making designs with this yet, so I'm doing just the basic diagonal line. As you can see, I'm gonna be playing around here a little bit. And it looks like the magnets are moving really fast out of place if I wanna do the whole 5 nails at once. So that's why I'm painting over again and distributing the magnets so I can move in again, and I'll be really fast. And I will place these nails under the lamp. Now I'm gonna go ahead with top coat, and I'm going to apply a couple of small rhinestones, and then I'm gonna cure these nails for 60 seconds. And don't go anywhere, because today I'm gonna be creating a second set for you guys. It's your lucky day. I have the second set ready to go. I already applied base gel, and I'm gonna go ahead with this beautiful pink. I'm gonna be creating some Frenchies.
Reglament el 9.
Todos los abrazos del mundo me dan. Mi alma se desborda de emoción. Nunca antes había sentido así. Espero que ella sienta lo mismo que yo. Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón. Bailar, bailar, bailar con mi corazón. Todo empezó con un beso en la mejilla.
And this is the final result, guys. These nails came out so cute. Those Frenchies took me forever. I don't know why it's so hard for me to do Frenchies. The cat eye looks really beautiful. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video. If you did, just leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you like my videos and want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.